Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to be demoing for you what I think is one of the absolute best glass screen protectors you can get for the iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, or iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and definitely one of the most advanced and simplest installation systems you will ever find. This makes applying that glass screen protector piece of cake and perfect installation. No bubbles, no dust. It's really awesome. It's by a company called WSKEN, and again, it is a glass screen protector. It's available in several different varieties, clear, different privacy glass screen protectors, and for the iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, and iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max with this advanced installation system. So we're going to go right into it. We're going to jump over to a video so you can see exactly how this installation system works.
Okay, so this is how it works. You've got the box right here. You open it up. You can see you've got your screen actually in the box. Lift that up. We're going to take my phone and we're going to put it in there. And you can see the box is obviously made specifically for that phone. First, we're going to take the wet wipe and we're going to clean the screen with the wet wipe to make sure it is 100% clean. After you're done with that, you're going to take the lint-free cloth and go back over it. Again, making sure you've gotten every bit of lint and dust off of this, and make sure it's dry from using the alcohol wipe. After that, last but not least, you have your sticker, and you're just going to go through. If there's any remaining dust on there, this is going to pick it all up. Make sure that your screen is 100% dust free. Then you're ready to go. Now you're going to close this lid. You put the little arrow down like that, and then you close the lid. Make sure it's completely closed. And now you're going to just pull. When you do that, it drops that screen protector down onto the screen. Now you're going to take this, and you're going to hold this, and you're going to slide all the way to the end, and see that roller in there. As you're doing that, that roller is pushing that screen protector down to make sure there are no bubbles. Now you're going to open, and then you're going to lift the final protector that was on the top. Lift that off, and then pull your phone out, and you can see it is a perfect application. There's no bubbles. There's no dust under there. It's perfect.
So you can see it's so simple. Everything you need is included in the box to make sure your screen is clean and prepared. And then with this installation system, it's so simple. The way you just pop your phone in there, you clean it, you lower the thing, you shift the thing over, pull the thing. It's just like, it just works, and it's simple and it's effective. And you can see the end result is that it is installed perfectly on my phone. There's no dust, there's no air bubbles. It's stuck on there nice. It's going to protect your screen. It's going to protect my screen. And it was easy to do, so simple with this really advanced installation system by WSKEN. If you're looking for a glass screen protector for your iPhone 14 or 15 Pro or Pro Max, then look no further. This one by WSKEN is amazingly awesome with this simple, easy, advanced installation system. Definitely a product that I would recommend. that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And yeah, that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.